Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Prokaryotic cells have unique ways to boost their genetic diversity compared to eukaryotes. Let's quickly break down the specific biological process that makes this happen. First, we must identify how prokaryotes like bacteria actually gain new traits. Unlike humans, they do not use meiosis, so we need a mechanism that moves DNA between individual living cells. Looking at our list, conjugation is a specific process where one bacterium transfers genetic material directly to another. This horizontal gene transfer is a major way they increase their overall genetic diversity. Options A and B describe eukaryotic meiosis, which is inapplicable. Option C is correct as it alone describes true prokaryotic gene transfer. Well done! Option C is correct. Scan the code to learn with Sovi, watch for eukaryotic processes, and check given steps carefully.